Alright guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video I'm quickly going to be showing you how you can be claiming your ST tokens on the Sidra app, and also how you can be converting the ST tokens to the SDA, which is the Sidra digital asset. So it is very important that you know this, because a lot of people are having issues with always trying to claim or either converting their tokens, and when they try to do that, they always get up getting failed messages. So how do you go about it? So it's very simple. So if you come over to my app right now, you can see there is a claim tokens right here. So all I have to do is click on that, and then it is going to pop up to this particular interface where it will ask me to record my face. So what I do, as at the time of the making of this video it is night, so what I do is that I make sure that my camera is lit directly at the same height to my face, the same at the same, I'll say the eye level. So my light is at my eye level, my camera is also at my eye level. So the reason I light like this is because I don't want any shadow to be on my face. I don't want a shadow on my chin or under below my eyes or on my chin or anywhere on my face. So I want it to be evenly lit. So if you are claiming in the daytime, I think you should not have much issues. All you need to do is stand in a place where it is well lit, and then make sure that you face the camera. And once you face the camera, make sure that you face it directly, and then be moving it. Move your camera, move your face, and then blink. So if you do these things that I've told you, and you are going to see that you will successfully claim your ST. So that is how to claim your ST. So the next thing will not be how do you convert these ST tokens that you are claiming into SDA, which is the Sidra digital asset. So you have to come over to the wallet section right here and click on it. And then once you click on it, you are going to come over to this page where you have to just go ahead and click on Sidra swap. And on the Sidra swap right here, if you look at it, you see that I have 18 ST tokens, and then if I'm going to swap, I'm going to receive about 17.9 Sidra digital asset, that is the SDA right here, and I'm going to spend this 0.1 ST as gas fee, and then the processing might take up to 24 hours. And then you can see right here that face verification is required, so you must have already known this. And if I claim now, it is going to take 7 days before I will be able to claim again. So there is no minimum of tokens that you can claim as long as you have been claiming. Now before I go further, let me say something about this issue of the time difference before you will be able to claim again. Before it was just 7 days. 7 days, if that is, if you claim today, you count 7 days to be able to claim again. So the way Sidra has done it now, if you claim today, you will have to count 7 days of claiming, not just 7 days that have passed by. So which means that if you claim today and skip tomorrow and claim after tomorrow, that's like 3 days, but you are just going to be counted for 2 days. That is the days that you have claimed. So you need to be claiming every day to be able to be converting faster. So once you have claimed like that for 7 days, you will now be able to convert it to SDA. So that is how this conversion works. So you have to just come to confirm swap right here, and then once you come over here, you need to follow the same pattern I told you in the claiming of the ST. So make sure that you also lit at the eye level, and then place your camera also at the high level, and then make sure that you blink, and then move your head too. Also move your head while doing that. Once you blink, also make sure that you move your head, so just in case, and then you are going to see that it is going to show you convert. So, and then you are going to see that tokens withdrawal request submitted successfully. So once you have seen that, next thing will just be for you to wait and go back and check on your Sidra digital asset, that is the SDA, and you're going to see that the balance will be converted. Now for those who are having issues, if you have done these things I've told you and you are having issue, what I would suggest is this: make sure that you come back to the home page of your Sidra app, and then come over to copy link right there, click on it, copy the link, go to your Google, paste it there, or go to any browser of your choice. It can be Mrs., it can be Opera, any of it. So just paste it there and then load it right there, and then log in your Sidra from the web, not on the Sidra app. So once you have done that, try the process using the web, and you are going to discover that you are going to convert your token. So that is it, and that is what I wanted to share with you, because I strongly believe in this project and I don't want the community to miss out or make any mistake. So make sure that you position for this airdrop. And I've told you that this timing in which you have to claim and then skip 7 days before you'll be able to claim, if you are not careful, you will discover that the listing will approach when you have still not converted all your ST tokens. So make sure that you are doing this and then converting your tokens. So I'm just going to end here. In my next video about Sidra, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Sidra branch in your state, in your country, and in any location you are in, so that you can help others to be able to be doing their KYC. So that video will be very, very important to you, so that you can also be helping others do their KYC. So it is very, very important. Don't miss out that video, and that is why I'm going to implore you to make sure that you hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell if you have not yet done so, so that as soon as that video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much.